much.
Hey, who is talking too much? Am I talking to you? Don't you have mouth to talk? Am I using your mouth to talk? Don't you have mouth to talk? Leave me alone. Am I using your mouth to talk?
Get out.
Am I using your mouth to talk?
Boss, I bet the lawyer is here.
Let him come. Hurry up. Open it for him. Finally. Finally! You think you can just pick any lady and waste their time? The laws will talk today.
Come on, then.
The laws will talk today.
Nonsense.
The laws will talk today. Wasting women's time for no reason. Wasting women's time for no reason. Are you a man?
Are you a man?
Are you a man?
Hello.
After we sign it.
Welcome, lawyer. Welcome. Sit down.
To be continued.
Lawyer, welcome.
Thank you.
Lawyer, welcome.
Thank you.
Lawyer, can I please have the documents so that I can sign as soon as possible for him to...
Oh, relax.
Leave and go back to his mess.
You have never been to school before. You are going to sign.
I haven't been to school. You are dying for me. How can an illiterate give you broken hearts? Look at you. How can you even amend? How can you put yourself together?
You sign signature.
You sign signature for me. Are you the one that touched for me? Are you the one that touched for me? You the one.
Common signature.
If you marry an illiterate, who are you?
You are illiterate.
Who are you then?
Who are you?
You are a chief illiterate.
Are you a woman?
So you are
a woman?
So when they are calling men, you will go, eh? When they are calling men,
oh, thank you.
You will go.
I bought the ring myself. I wear it myself.
When they are calling men, you will go. Lawyer, give me the documents.
Please, Mr. Dan. Please.
Where are the documents?
That's the reason why.
Okay.
Can you sign? Do you know how to sign signature?
You do know how to sign signature?
You didn't go to school?
Did you go to school? Did you go to school?
I will graduate like
so why didn't you marry someone who has graduated? Why didn't you marry?
Because you deceived me.
Mr. Dan, please.
You came to deceive my life.
Please.
You came to deceive my life.
I came to deceive
Don't
I came to make you up. I made you who you are.
Are you a makeup artist?
Let's sign this divorce letter today and see where you will be. You think you can cheat a woman?
Mr. Dan, it's the divorce documents that I'm here. Please, take heart, relax, because I'm still on it. Apparently, there has been a backlog at the judicial system.
No, lawyer, no. That is not why we are waiting for you. Lawyer, we need to sign these documents today.
I know.
Today.
I know, but today it can't be possible.
What?
Because of the backlogs.
Lawyer,
so
I am not staying in this house in the next 24 hours with this man. This man. No.
And who do you think will say
You are happy. So now you are happy because he didn't bring it.
Oh, I'm happy.
You are happy.
You are rather happy. Because you can never say something tomorrow or no way.
The court has already taken the house from you. Lawyer knows how that is going to be. He knows it.
Is he a judge?
I'm not a court.
Is he a judge?
You have lost.
Lost what?
You have lost.
My own house.
Which house?
Yes.
Which house?
Yeah.
Which house?
Yeah.
Why did you stay here alone?
Oh, you see, these are the main reason why we need to take time for the court to resume sitting, because your divorce documents is not a normal divorce document, and per your case, there has been a complex asset.
Lawyer, it's not going to change. I need to sign.
There's no complexity about this case.
Look at him.
This one, she came from Guatemala.
Why did you stay in the house alone?
I would have been able to stay in the house. You deceived me. You can't deceive my life.
Look at how Kofi has caused.
Mrs. Please.
Hey, who is Mrs.?
Say the what?
Hey, who is Mrs.?
Who is Mr.?
Who is Mrs.?
This one can't be a Mrs. This one, she can't be a Mrs. She can't be a Mrs. This one.
You are happy. So you're happy because he called your name. I will sign the paper.
You don't know how to sign papers. Do you have a signature?
I said you will go.
Do you have a signature? You didn't go to school. You can't sign paper.
When it comes, I will stamp it.
Oh,
I will stamp on it.
How are you going to do it? Can you read to sign?
Shame on you.
Do you know how to sign?
Mister, in your dream.
Do you know? I taught you how to sign.
Who is Mister? Who are you?
Can you be a
You mister.
Can you be a missus?
You mister.
Can you be a missus?
In your dreams.
Please, me.
Shame!
Shame!
To you.
You call yourself woman. Woman who can snore and the whole building wants to come down. Stop snoring. You like snoring too much, huh? Snore, I want to bring the house down. You call yourself a woman.
Damn. Oh, so you're not realizing I snore when I sleep. What is this? Why are you disturbing my sleep?
Oh, get out with it. You only one sleep. You be snoring. You don't allow somebody can sleep. Ah. What sort of snoring thing is that at all? Oh. Only one sleep, somebody will sleep. Just to sleep and make myself comfortable, and then I can wake up safe and strong. Then you'll be snoring. Man wants to sleep and man can't sleep.
Oh, so you woke me up because I'm snoring.
You snore too much.
Yes.
Okay.
Damn. What has come over you?
Something has come over me. Nonsense.
Where are you going? Oh, so after all these years, you're not realizing I snore? We shall see. You just want to spoil my sleep.
Why? What's this? If you want something else, just what? Huh? Worry my life. All this pressure you are giving me, what sort of pressure is this? Huh? I'm feeling sleepy and I want to sleep and all this.
What's up? Where they go on? I know they understand certain things. Where they go on?
UK, you're asking me. You don't know what is going on.
Why? What's up? What happened?
You won't believe what I saw yesterday.
What happened?
A whole boss sleeping in a couch.
Hey! You know they mean this one?
UK, I said I saw a boss sleeping in a couch yesterday.
Somebody will get your own money, get your own house where they sleep for couch.
I think this their issue is really getting out of hand. UK.
Then it be like if you find some pastor, make them can't preach them, make them stop them, what they do, no.
I'm sure you can bring the pastor to them. Oh yes.
So they tell me.
Yes.
But you know, this one, this matter, make you no go talk anybody. Because if you talk, it be disgrace. Somebody get money where they sleep for couch inside there, no good. So make you not make anybody here. You understand?
But do you think I'm like you?
No,
Why? Do you think I go around saying things to people? Am I not inside? Are you not at the gate?
I know, but maybe if they go send you there, go outside there, you go talk. That's what they talk, no?
UK. Don't bring yourself. Don't come and stress me.
Be okay.
Do it well.
Okay, please.
Who taught you how to do this?
Please, my mom.
Your mom?
Yes.
Come and sit. Come and sit. Come and sit here.
Boss.
Oh, come and sit down. It's not about our boss. Come and sit. Sit down here.
Yes.
Sit down. Madam likes you so much.
Yeah. As for Madam, I know she likes me.
And I like you too, though. You know how you do your job, though. I like it, you know. And that's why I was asking you to talk to you how to do this job.
Okay. Thank you.
So, how come your lips are so red? You've been kissing?
No, please.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure you don't kiss?
No, boss.
No boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Where's Madam?
She's in there.
She's in there.
Yes, please.
I see. So, you don't kiss?
No, please.
Yeah, fine girl.
Thank you.
So, Madam is in there?
Yes, please.
You
She's in her
you
room.
think she's hearing us conversation?
I don't think so. She's in her room.
I like you. Is it that, don't give me pause. Is it that red lips? I'll kiss it till it becomes blue. Blue, blue, blue.
But Madam is your wife.
She's in there. Maybe she's even hearing us. Blue, blue, blue. What? What's the problem?
I don't want to have any issues with Madam.
Which issue? There's nothing issue. I said your lips. Which kind of issue? I didn't say I love you. I said your lips. I'll turn into blue. Kiss it till it becomes blue. Yeah. Madam will see something. Hey, me. Done. So, if I should say I love you, will you say yes? Gina!
Yes, boss.
Gina!
Yes, ma.
Come.
Gina, come. Gina.
How are you?
Gina.
Yes,
I want you to get me...
Get me the computer that I left it.
Get me water from the room. Hurry up. Pass here. Hurry up.
Get me my computer. Go to the bedroom and bring the computer.
Get me water!
Why are you shouting?
Okay, ma.
Go and get my computer.
Hey!
I called her. I called her.
Ah, you called her? Didn't I also call her?
Go and get my laptop.
Go and get me water. I'm thirsty. Go and get me water to drink. Hurry up.
What's wrong with you?
Hey.
I called her to come get something of
What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
You are a devil. You are a devil. I feel like drinking water. I called the girl to give me water. What are you telling me?
Who called her first?
So what?
I called her first.
I want to drink water the
You
time.
knew that you called her. Why didn't you call her before?
Didn't I call her when you called her? Hey, I said go and get me water.
Go and get my laptop.
What do you think you are in this house? This house belongs to the two of us.
For who and who?
Yes, she says the two of us.
Oh, your time is up.
You too, your time is up. And I just can't wait to sign the divorce documents.
Oh, jeez.
Yes, I want to sign the papers.
You sign and go.
Who will go?
You go back to
You
the
wasted a
gutters.
woman's
You
time.
go back to the gutters.
You will go back.
Who's
You look
time?
at you. Look
You
at
know the time that you have wasted
You have also
with
wasted
your
my
presence in my house?
You have wasted my time.
For what?
And I am going to take over
What
the
time?
properties.
After picking you from the gutters?
Who picked you from the gutters? I made you handsome. So you thought you were a man?
You made me handsome.
Yes. Didn't Did you see yourself before marrying me?
Oh, now you are now God.
Did you see yourself before marrying me?
Oh, you saw me as an ugly man before
Yes.
you accepted to marry me.
I had hope. I had hope. What? Do you think if I didn't
Which
have
of the
hope, I
hopes?
would have married you? Who would have married you?
Oh, so you hope that I'll become handsome?
By my grace. Yes. By my grace.
Something is, you are getting mad.
Are you normal sitting there?
Yeah, you are mad.
Oh, so you are normal. You are normal sitting
So
there.
I built my own house and I brought you from the garden into my house. Today you are telling me all this.
You have wasted my time.
Look at your hair. You have painted your hair green.
Oh yes.
That's my money. You know that?
Whose money? Whose money? My energy, my time. Let the court decide. Let the court decide.
Of course the court will decide.
Yes. Let's see who loses.
What have you brought into this house?
You are going to lose your property.
What have you brought into this house?
What have you also brought? We built this together.
I built this house before you came in. You know that.
I don't care.
Then in the court you care.
We will see. For wasting a woman's time. We will see.
Which time is that? Which time is it?
Hey, why? Why they run?
Mama, me ma sheme sa. Ukra me fin say bia madam kra na eba.
By what's up, Charlie? Where my today, man?
Please don't start. Everyday food. It's as if you don't understand what is happening in this house.
I know, but man for chop down I be BK.
Please, UK. I'm not ready for your jokes. Everyday food. You don't think about anyone in this house. What is happening here is as if you don't understand.
I didn't understand, but what's up, G?
Do you believe that since morning the food I prepared is still there? Nobody has touched the food.
Madam Kaya no chop. She no chop.
It's as if you know. I said they've not touched their food. They are still asking me, have they chopped? Me, what is happening in this house, UK? I'm tired. I'm confused. I'm stressed out too. Because tomorrow this, tomorrow that, smarter madam will call you. If you don't attend to her, she'll shout at you. Then boss will also call you. If you don't attend to him, he also shout at you.
So what's up?
Your food is there. I'll see if I can bring you some. It's there. So is that the reason why you came here?
Hey, be the reason. Hey, wait till prepare me. I forget something.
Please, don't stress me.
Oh.
I'm not in the mood already. You two are bringing your issue. Food. Why?
Somebody married to you can't ball for your body. Me? Oh.
Stressing me. Why? Today this, today that. Madam will be calling you. Gina, come. Boss, Gina, come. If you don't attend to them, problem. You two are coming to stress me on top. Food. Why? Because you don't know what I'm going through. If you know what I'm going through, you know, come and stand there and be asking me for food. Let me go and finish with what I'm doing.
Oh, Gina, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so famished. So hungry. Yeah, come on. Hello. Yeah. Can you please join me on this table? We eat together.
Oh, boss, no. I'll take mine in the kitchen. I've been eating the donkey. I'll take it.
You've been eating in the kitchen for a very long time now. Since you came into this house, you've been eating in the kitchen.
Yes.
But just do me the pleasure and the honor. Sit with me. We eat together.
Oh, boss.
Do this for me. Do it for me. Go and bring your food and sit with me. I need company. Do it for me, okay? Go and bring the food right now. Come and sit.
Okay.
Hey. Thank you for eating with me, okay?
You're welcome.
You know, you've been eating in the kitchen for a long time now. But this is the first time you're eating with me. And I'm glad you're eating with me, okay? Eat the food, eat.
Okay.
Your food is very nice.
Thank you.
You're a very good cook.
Thank you.
You see, Gina, I'll confess to you, anytime I'm eating, I want you always to be in my company, sitting with me to eat. I've always wished for that. Eat it. You see, we are now friends. You're my friend. You see to my everything. You cook for me, I eat and everything. Do you normally watch some of the videos shown on the TV?
Not really.
Not really. Yeah, you need to start watching some of the films and things like that. It's quite informative, it's quite educative, and whilst you're enjoying or entertaining yourself with those things, I mean, it's good.
Hey. Go downstairs and get me water. I said go downstairs and get me water! So now you let me watch the movie again. You let me watch the movie again.
What's wrong with you?
What is wrong with me?
No, let me tell you. Let me tell you. You should behave yourself. Look at you. I made you who you are. Today, I made you up.
Really?
Who is this?
Really?
Oh, come on.
I also made you who you are. I also made you who you are.
Look at you. So who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Huh? I brought you out of the world and made you who you are today.
Oh, so you want
I cleaned you up.
You want you clean me up. I also took good care of you. You want to remind me about my past, eh? You want to remind me about my past? You should just bring these documents and let me sign and go.
You have to go. You will go.
All of us will go. We have to we sign, we know at the end.
In my house here.
What do you mean your house?
Did you marry me or I
Did
married
you
you?
marry me?
Yes, I married you.
We are married
So
together.
you will go.
We are doing this
I am not
together.
more interested in you.
When I sign, the lawyer will speak. The court will decide, not you. The court will decide.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, the court will know who married you.
Yes.
Did you marry me? Or I married you? Today you are sitting here and doing all these things.
So you keep quiet and let me watch my TV.
You are self, you don't know what is it.
You are just a devil.
Me?
You are a devil.
I am a Lucifer, not devil. You will go and then you go and face the real devil.
Both of us will share everything. We will share.
What do you mean? You that I brought out of the cortex.
Let me just leave you. You are a devil.
Me, I'm a devil. You've not seen the devil.
Take it.
Oh, you lie, self.
Hey, screw Stop right there. You. What? So you think I don't know what's going on in this house, right? Huh? What do you think you are doing with Dan?
You mean boss?
What do you think you are doing with my whatever? What do you think you are doing with him?
Madam, it was the other day that he
Will you shut up? Shut up! How I asked you to explain? Look, let this be the first and last. If you ever, if I see both of you in this house together again, you will see what I'll do to you.
Please, I don't know.
Keep quiet! What? You think I don't know your plans, eh? You think I don't know? Let me just see you. You will go back to where I picked you from. Did you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Bring this thing out of my face!
Okay.
Diamond, you! What is this? Huh? Why are you putting your leg on me?
What do you think we are doing? Why don't you allow me to sleep in peace?
If you put your leg on me again, look at his face. Get up! Keep it this way. And make sure none of your body part touches me again.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. You need to make sure. And make sure you don't snore again.
Me? Do I control my sleep? Am I the one that controls? Do I control my sleep?
Do I control my leg while sleeping?
When your leg touches something, can't you feel it? Can't you feel it?
So if you are making noise, singing bass in that you're snoring, don't you hear it yourself?
Who snores in here? Who snores in here?
And who sleeps and moves the leg?
Oh, so don't you have sensor? You don't have sensor?
You don't have sensor in your nose.
You let your feet touch me.
And if you like, you snore again and see. I'll bring cotton wool and stuck it inside your nose and into your throat. Then you see the kind of snoring you snore again.
You are a devil.
You are a demon. Advocate. Satan. Who is a demon? Who is a demon?
You see?
Who is a demon? Who is?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What kind of man are you? Don't let your feet touch me again.
You don't use. If you like snow. Cotton wool, plenty is in the bathroom. I won't bring it. If you like snow. You have started again. You started. Don't worry. You eat cotton wool. Chop cotton wool right now, you see. Stop snoring. Stop snoring. Stop snoring.
Don't touch me.
Don't snore. You can't even wait for 3 seconds. 3 seconds, then you are gone. Stop snoring.
If you touch me again, you touch me again, see.
You don't even go at least to what, the 5 minutes, 3 seconds.
You're just a devil.
You are snoring 3
I
seconds.
said, don't let your feet touch me.
Hey, 3 seconds, snorer. 1, 2, 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Hey. Stop snoring.
Leave me alone.
Stop snoring. Stop snoring. And let me sleep in peace.
Touch me again. What is it? What are you doing? What's the meaning of this?
You can see what is the meaning of this. You can see the meaning.
What? Are you joking?
I don't like that film.
You don't like that film? Go to your room. Don't you have a room?
Why should I go? Why should I go? Why should I go to my room? For what?
I'm watching a movie. If you think you don't like the movie, go to your room.
I don't like it.
Devil.
You want to fight with me again?
Me fight with you. Who started it? Who started it?
So I don't like the movie.
If you don't like the movie, go to the room. Go to the room.
I don't want to go to the room.
I also want to sit here and enjoy the movie. You are just a devil. You are a devil. Oh, wow.
I said I don't want anything here. I don't want anything here.
I will switch it back on. You're a devil. I will watch the movie. You see what you've caused?
Mm-hmm.
I will look
You
for
can't
it.
put it on.
I'll put it on. Okay, so you're happy. You're happy. You're happy. I said I will look for
I've
it.
changed the password.
You've changed the password. I will get it. Let me go there and see.
I've changed the password.
You've not changed anything.
Go.
You've not changed anything.
Over.
I said I will go back. I'll go back and change it. Don't worry. If you don't want to watch the movie, you have your room. You can go to your room.
I'm not going to any room.
Go to your room. Ali, why is it coming? Why you forgot to change this one? I fear you, eh? Maybe I watch the movie that I want to watch. That's it. I want to watch the movie. You have your room there. You can go to your room. We enjoy good movie.
I said you can't watch this. Don't you feel it?
You took the remote, right?
Yeah, it's with me.
Cockroach! Cockroach! Hi! Hi!
Cockroach!
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 Cockroach! Where are you going?
What is that?
Where are you going?
What is that? Cockroach?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Cockroach! What is that? Cockroach?
Cockroach!
What is it?
Cockroach!
What is it?
Give me the remote. Give me the remote.
Take it.
Give me the remote.
Kill the cockroach.
Me kill the cockroach.
Yeah, kill it.
There's no cockroach there.
What is it?
Shame on you. Why are you coming to me?
Cockroach.
Somebody you are waiting to divorce. Why are you coming to me? See
I
you.
don't like cockroach.
See you. See you. Why are you here? Am I your wife? Why are you here?
Bring that.
I won't give it to you. Cockroach. Another one. I said it. Let the cockroach.
What's the cockroach? The cockroach people are your people. We call the cockroach people at home.
Next time. Why are you here?
Cockroach.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Why are you here?
Go and kill the cockroach.
Why are you here? Somebody you want to divorce. Am I your wife?
Oh.
Why do you want me to save you from
I don't
cockroach?
like cockroaches. Go and
You don't like cockroach, so what should I do? Look at look at the cockroach in the Leave me alone. Where are you going?
Where's the cockroach?
Where are you going?
Cockroach is your brother.
Me, cockroach is my brother. Shame on you.
The cockroach family.
Your cockroach family.
Go and kill the cockroach.
Somebody, I am
Hey!
getting ready to sign a divorce. Why are you here? Why are you here? Am I your wife? Do you talk to me? Look at his shameless face. Because of cockroach, you see where you are? You see where you are?
You know I don't like
So if you don't like cockroach, who should save you? Me. Me. Put your leg down. I'm just waiting for the lawyer to bring the letters. Hey, what is this? Look at the cockroach. Look at the cockroach. Will you take the remote again? Leave me alone.
I don't like the remote.
Leave me alone. You are scared of cockroach. You are divorcing me. Why are you behind me? Remove your leg and let me go. Just hey. Remove your leg.
Tell the cockroach people.
Me. So I talk to cockroaches, eh?
If you like, talk louder, you see.
Me, I should talk louder.
Talk louder.
Am I
Let me
talking
hear
to
what
you?
we are talking.
Am I talking to you?
Let me hear what you are
Am I
talking.
talking to you?
How many people are in this room?
Hey, what's your business? If I'm going to whisper for the whole day, is it any of your business?
Then whisper. Don't whisper. Don't whisper when I'm here.
I shouldn't whisper. You can't tell me when to whisper.
If you like, talk.
Am I not talking?
Let me hear what you say.
Am I not talking?
Let me hear it.
Don't. The whole thing is don't let your body touch me. Don't touch me.
Then say it.
Don't let anything touch me.
Why should I even touch you? You know me now. I won't touch you for anything. Who are you?
Who am I?
Oh.
Don't let your body touch me. That thing when I tell you, it pains you. Don't let your body touch me.
Who are you?
Don't let it touch me.
You that I picked from gutter.
When you were so polished, why didn't you go and pick a polished one? Why did you go and pick from the gutter?
I thought I was...
Why did you go and pick from the gutter?
I thought at least in the gutters too, there are some nice ones there.
So you that you pick from the gutter, who are you?
I built a house. You are lucky you have
Why
a
didn't
house.
you stay in the house alone? What is this? What is this?
What is what?
Hold me, hold me, hold me.
I should hold you.
Hold me. It's not right.
What Greco is inside your this thing?
Are you sure?
Are you asking me a question? It's inside the...
Hold me, hold me, hold me.
Hold you for what?
Hold me.
You said I shouldn't touch you.
Don't touch me, touch me.
Touch you how?
Hold me.
I should touch you.
Hold me.
I should hold you. I should hold you. Eh?
You need a generator.
What Greco? What
Get
Greco?
it. Get a generator. Get a generator. Generator.
Generator, have you bought any generator?
Please, please. Hold me.
Hold you what? To do what?
There's no light. There's no light.
You don't like light. You don't like darkness.
I don't like darkness.
You don't like darkness. What Greco is inside your this thing? It's coming. It's coming.
It's gone. It's gone.
It's not gone.
It's gone.
It's there.
It's gone.
It's there.
It's gone.
It's there.
It's gone.
What Greco?
It's gone. It's dark. It's dark. It's dark.
The light has come.
Don't touch me. I said don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I don't want you to touch me. What is this? You can't stay without touching me.
Are you a human being at all? Are you a creation of God?
Don't touch me. It's simple. I don't want you to touch. I don't want your body to touch
Of
me.
course, I don't want to touch you. Why should I touch you?
See the way my heart is beating.
Because it's darkness. The demons, when you see darkness, then now you want to go to
You're making noise.
Your
You're
demons.
making noise.
Advocate.
You're making.
Disciple.
Stay there.
Oh,
you're making noise.
The light will go off again.
It's
The
late.
light
You're
will
making
go
noise.
off again.
You're
And then you
making
come
noise.
to me. You watch and see.
You're making noise.
Of recent times. The light will go off again. Soon. UK, come here. Come upstairs right now.
You called me.
Yes, I called you. So what at all were you talking with my wife downstairs?
Oh, boss, it no be anything. Then she did.
Tell me the truth.
Oh, yes, I'm telling.
What did you tell her? What tickled her so much that she was laughing hilariously? You tickled her?
No. I not do so.
Then what were you telling her for her to laugh like that?
No, like we dey just dey talk for my village matter where we best for laugh.
Oh, your village matter?
Yeah.
So my wife now enjoys your village matter than what I can tell her to laugh? You know what is happening in this house. Me, I have not talked to my wife to laugh like the way you talk to her for her to laugh. For months, weeks, I have been in this house and I can't even make my wife smile. You have made my wife laugh hilariously. Isn't it? What's wrong with you? Hey, you want your job?
Yes.
You still want to work here?
Yes, boss.
Or you want to go back to the village?
No!
You want to go to...
I want day here, I beg.
From today, if I should see you talking with my wife again, talk less of making her laugh, you see the better part of me. You understand?
Yes, boss.
Never ever
Yes, boss.
stand with my wife to talk with her again.
Yes, boss. I beg, I feel come out.
Laughing with my wife. The next moment, if I'm not careful, they will be sleeping in my bed. If my wife has to even laugh or do anything or even have any relationship anywhere, that must be after the divorce. After the divorce, she can go anywhere and go and laugh. Who cares? Who cares? That one will even give me the opportunity to also go. There are so many women there. I can start entering. I can enter. Go on. Keep working.
Madam, I beg, I feel borrow your time small.
What is it? Hey, look, put the chair down. You want to talk to me and you want to sit down. What is wrong with you? What's the issue?
Madam, this one will not be anything. Since you the boss, you employ me for this house, I swear if I thought say I not be happy, I dey lie. Where the salary people they give me to MNG. But of late, I see say things start to change. So where it they disturb me then Gina, you dey back. So
Will you keep quiet? Will you keep quiet? Oh really? We are disturbing your peace. We are disturbing you and Gina's peace. Okay, well understood. So that means you want to leave this house.
No, I don't think so.
No. Leave the house. What is wrong with you? Huh? Will you walk out? Get out of my sight. Look at him. Can you imagine? Madam, me and Gina, you are disturbing our peace. Hey! I blame Dan. It's disturbing you and Gina.
so stupid. How could I allow this woman to be lying in my bed comfortably whilst I lie down here restless on this couch? Bed that I bought with my own money. Why should I be doing this? The bed belongs to me. I'm entitled to my own bed. I mean, I bought the bed myself. I'm being stupid. To lie down in my bed. Oh.
Dan, where are you going? Where do you think you're going? Why are you dressed like this? Dan, I'm talking to you.
When you're going out, do you tell me where you're going?
When I'm going out, do I tell you where I'm going? Mm-hmm. Oh, so this is how it's going to be now. Look, do you think I care you going out? I only want to know where you're going. In case you don't come back and they come and ask me, I tell them to go and look for you there. That's all.
Is that all?
Yes.
Alright, I'm not going to tell you where I'm going.
You are
what
joking.
Can you do?
You are joking. You are going to tell me where you're going. Where are you going? Dan, you are not stepping out. You are not.
What audacity have you, Clara? What audacity have you to tell me that for you to say you are stopping me from going out?
Dan, you are in a divorce process, and until you sign those documents, you are not stepping out. You are not free. Wow. Oh, you think you're free yet? Please remove that shirt.
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Who are you talking to? Dan, who are you talking to in this room? Me?
I am walking out of this house through that door.
Dan! Look! Look at him! What has come over this man? Oh, so Dan, he wants to be okay, fine. It's fine, you can go. We shall see. It's fine, you can go. Really? Did he just walk out?
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going dressed like this? Where are you going?
What's the meaning of that? Since when did you start asking where are you going? What's the meaning of that question?
So I can't ask you where you are. You're my wife. Where are you going?
Me, your wife. Are you married? Oh, so in your mind, you think we are married?
A married woman, you can't dress like this and be going out. That's what I'm asking you. Why, where are you going?
Why am I even wasting time talking to you? Excuse me.
Are you wearing something on that?
Is that your business?
Am I really married to a woman? Am I married at all? I brought you out of the gutters. Made you who you are. And you are going out. I'm asking you. You are replying me in this manner. Has she been trained at all? Who is her mother? Who trained this my wife? What sort of marriage is this? Am I married at all? What sort of life is this? Why should I even be married to this girl at all? I have a good reason, one of my very good reasons, to leave, to get out of this marriage. Is this a marriage at all? Is this marriage? You don't cook for me. You don't do anything for me. Aha. I don't know where this world is moving to.
Hello, dear. I know. I'm fine. I'm fine, my dear. And you? Yes, dear. I know. Come on. But my dear, you know what? It's always been like that.
Who is that on the phone?
Hi, dear.
Who is that on the phone?
Hey, Ajish.
Whom are you talking with? Talking to boys. Whom are you talking with? Whom are you talking with?
What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me.
So you just made
I am normal.
You made me drop a call of somebody very important.
That call, those are your boys that you used to call.
What is your problem?
If it's Tom, tomorrow, if it's not Tom, it is Mr. Jesse. If it's not Mr. Jesse,
oh, so you've been listening
Dan.
to my phone calls. How did you know their names?
Names?
How did you know?
Do I even care our names?
Shame on
If
you.
it's not Aboboshi boy calling you, next time it is Kokomemle, next time it's Abelenkpe, next time it's Alajo. Even Kaswa self, they are calling you.
So you've been listening to my phone calls. What's your problem? I am almost through divorce. So what is your problem?
Then wait when you're through divorce with the girl before you start doing your things.
Wait for who?
Oh.
I don't have any man in my life. Wait for who?
You don't have any man.
Are you a man?
What about those Aboboshi people? What about the Abelenkpe? What about the Kokomemle?
I'm recruiting them.
How about the
I am recruiting them.
Oh.
What is your business? Yes. What is your business?
They will scatter you.
Then let them kill me.
They will scatter
Let them finish
you.
me.
They will finish you.
Are you the only one the woman has used and dumped you? I said I'm through with you.
You can't dump you.
Woo! Shame!
I've made you.
So what?
I picked you from the
So what
gutters.
is your problem? My friend, go on, let me make my phone. When you are done talking, you can go.
I didn't marry you.
Oh, you didn't marry me?
Don't call people in
You didn't marry
house.
me?
This house, I said don't call anybody when I'm in out there.
Are you drunk? My dear, let me call you back. My dear, okay.
It's not my dear.
Hey, are you the only one who has a broken heart?
Maybe
Are you the only one that a woman has dumped you?
You
You've not dumped me.
I've dumped you.
I bought all these things that you are saying.
And so what? And so what? I made you who you are. I made you who you are.
You keep saying that, but it's not true.
Hello, my dear.
Not even dear for anybody. I don't. You can't hear.
The divorce
I'm so soft with you, so you think that's
The
it?
divorce letters will come. The divorce.
If you call somebody again.
It will come. Oh, you feel like going to jail?
Call them.
You feel like let me see you with Gina again. Let me see you with Gina again.
Gina is better than all the boys you are calling.
Do you know them? If she's better than them, why are you jealous? Jealousy. Oh, shame. Shame on you. Shame on you. Adjorlolo, she's better than where I brought Gina from. Shame on you. Broken heart. Woo! Woo! Whose food is this?
And please, I made it for boss, but he has not touched it.
You made it for boss?
Yes, please.
Anyway, take it away and make the same thing for me, okay? Throw this in the bin.
But madam, please, he has not touched it too.
And so what? And so what?
So, madam, please, you can eat it.
I can eat it.
Yes, please.
Hey. Will you take it away and make the same thing for me? Eat what? Did you make it for me?
No, please.
So why should I eat somebody's food?
Sorry, ma.
Take it away. And prepare the same thing for me. The same thing, but a different food, okay? Throw it away. If he's not going to eat, throw it away. Hurry up.
How do I get this marriage back together? Because it looks like Clara is really serious about the divorce.
I'm sure he's thinking about how he's going to satisfy his new girlfriend.
This is really taking a toll on me. No. How did it get this worse?
I can't wait to sign the divorce papers. I can't wait. I just want to be free.
We were all happy some time ago, sharing our laughter, sharing joy and happiness. And now, all of a sudden, every minute, we are bickering, shouting at each other, always at each other's neck.
Look at him.
It shouldn't be so. It shouldn't be. Your leg. Come, let's go to the bedroom.
Thank you. Okay.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I like it.
Your leg? Let's go and massage it for you.
Thank you.
Let's go. Let's go. Clara. So sorry.
I'm sorry.
I love you so much.
Love you.
So, what are we going to do about the law?
Mr. Daniel.
Yes, lawyer.
Is everything okay, Mr. and Mrs.? Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Mr. Dan. Mr. and Mrs. Sorry, Mr. Dan and Madam Clara. Please, the divorce documents are ready.
Wait a minute. Say it again. Mr. N.
No, I didn't say Mr. and Mrs. Sorry.
I like you to say it.
Yes, I said Mr. Dan and Madam
Say
Clara.
Mr. and Mrs. Because that's my missus.
Mr. Dan, you know, I don't want any problem. You see, the documents are ready.
Okay.
So, you let me address it like
Yes.
Mr. and Mrs.
We are
Because,
with
yes.
Mr. and Mrs.
Okay. Mr. and Mrs.
Mr. and Mrs.
Okay. And please, the documents are ready now. And sorry for the delay, because it wasn't my doing. So, Mr. Dan, you can sign here, and Madam Clara to sign. Mr. Dan, please, I want you to sign here.
What did you say?
I want you to sign the divorce documents for me. So, you can do that for me. And then...
You see, these things, as at now, these things don't matter to me anymore. Let me say them. Mr. Lawyer, at the moment, these things, all these things written here, doesn't matter to me anymore. I don't want anything to do with any divorce something. In fact, me and my missus, we have decided. In fact, we are no more going ahead with the divorce. So the divorce papers, you can just take them away.
Mr. Dan, I know the delay might have caused a whole lot, but I've apologized in the earlier stage. So we can just sign and then we can proceed everything.
Listen, you see, love is always priceless. It brings joy and happiness to couples. And if it is maintained, really maintained, that joy remains forever. We are lovers, and we shall remain lovers forever in happiness. So,
Love you.
you can pack your file and, and leave the house.
Mr. Dan, let me ask Madam Clara if she's also okay with that, because Madam, please, you can even sign your part so that later Mr. Dan can sign his.
Lawyer, as my husband told you, we are no longer interested. So sorry.
So,
Where are we going to go?
you want to go to Dubai?
I want to go to Dubai first.
You know my favorite place?
Where?
Maldives.
Maldives? Okay, so...
Mr. Dan, please, for the last time.
Oh.
Just relax. Think twice of it before I can leave with these documents.
I'm no more interested. I have my wife, and she will remain my wife forever. So just pack them away. And if there's any bill that we have to settle, just let me know. We settle you. So
This is not about bill issue.
you're wasting my time here. You can see I'm busy with my wife here.
So we're going to Dubai first.
Yeah, so I'll organize the travel and tours guy, and then he starts organizing the trip for us, okay?
Okay. I can't wait.
Oh, you have to be treated. I need to give you a treat.
Boss, please, I beg to leave.
Are you still here?
I beg to leave.
All right. Have a nice day. Bye.
So funny.
I love you, my wife. I love 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 my